I had an injury at work. I fell down 5 steps, or 5 of, say, 8 steps. So I missed the bottom steps and I broke my right ankle. When I initially had my accident, I went to the doctor who underprescribed, for lack of better words, said that it was just a sprain and that if I was still in pain I needed to go and see my own GP. So I went to see my own GP, who was on holidays, so I was seeing an acting GP. And they said, oh, the hospital said that it's a sprain. And so where do I go from there? You know, the doctor at the hospital said this acting GP said that. And by that stage it was 2.5 weeks after on my foot and it was getting worse. So I was just like, well, what do I do? You know, how do I fix this? And not knowing. But as soon as ORS came on the scene, I was able to ask the questions and they'll say, yeah, well, you need to get an x-ray. And they said to me, right, we'll advocate for you for the doctor and we'll ask for an x-ray. ORS supported me through the whole process by following up, by touching base. Tina, you had your doctor's appointment, how did that go? Tina, I'm going to be there at your doctor's appointment on such and such a day at such and such a time. So not only was she checking up on how I was doing, she's actually reminding me that I had these things, because when you're going through the process, you're so overwhelmed by everything. And from the very first conversation that I had, it was absolutely apparent that she had my best interests at heart. The language that she used, the way that she took the time to listen, and she explained stuff and explained the process to me. This is how it's going to happen, Tina. So from that point, from that initial contact, I actually knew, all right, it's going to be okay. I figured that at the beginning I was doing it for other people, okay? But then I realised that, no, I'm doing this for myself. And knowing that I could achieve that is giving me an excitement. So I'm full of confidence, full of hope. I'm going to be able to take my grandchild to the beach and I'm going to be able to walk on the beach with my grandchild. I'm going to be able to take them to the park. I'm going to be able to go horse riding with my sister-in-law. I'm going to be able to do all the things that I convinced myself before that I wouldn't be able to do.